Hi guys, how are you all? So, I just wanted to share some feedback of one of our student who has taken the crash course from us, and we have managed to complete the syllabus within 23 days, 23 to 24 days approximately. And see, this is the screenshot of that student. He joined us in the month of September, and he gave the September attempt itself, maybe one first or second attempt September he joined, and he was he has to clear because his navigation exam was expiring. He has given the navigation exam 5 years ago. So of course we all know that after 5 years it is expired, the DGC examination. So he took navigation classes with us, and he cleared navigation exam in one go. So what was the reason? Like, many students are preparing for the navigation exam, they cannot clear. They are giving 3 4 attempts, 5 attempts. So see, basically the reason is the proper guidance, number one. Number two is people are not focused. They do not observe the pattern of the questions which DGC asking in the examination. Okay, so what is the pattern? Okay, DGC keeps on changing and revising the pattern and the question. What I have done is I have taken questions which are asked frequently in DGC examinations of 3 to 4 years. Every month, every question paper I have analyzed by myself, and the question which DGCA is asking in previous attempts, I have filtered the questions. So with this, what we do is we just give the theory questions that DGC also has question banks. Okay, they have various questions. Where will the new questions come from? Where the new questions they will put? They shuffle the questions again and again. So what I have done is I filtered out the most asked frequent questions of DGCA. We give it to our students. They learn. We solve the question and question papers in the classroom. That yes, question number one is done, question two is done, and three like this. A few questions I give homework as well. And when the student come in the next class, first target is to solve the doubts. Of course, when you will be solving the question paper, you will obviously have doubts. So we clear those doubts first of all before moving ahead, before proceeding to the next question or question paper. So this is my my approach to prepare the students for the DGC examination. Also, I have made my own notes, which is really important in clearing the concepts. People are just mugging up the back questions, theory questions they are mugging up, but they don't realize that it is not the only option. DGCA keeps rotating the question, keeps changing the question around the same concept. A same concept can create 4 to 5 questions, but they don't realize that a single concept of a single concept we have only 1 or 2 questions in books like Oxford or RK Bali. So the main important thing is to learn the concept, is to visualize the concept. See, I'll tell you an example. When we do, let's take an example of distance and departure questions, okay, latitude and longitude. When we solve the questions, no, I present the globe in front of the students. Like, see, you are traveling from this latitude to this latitude. So how many changes of latitudes you have done? So it is very much easy when you visualize. Okay, it is very important to visualize and to imagine that if you are traveling from point A to point B, how much distance you have traveled, how much change of latitudes or longitudes you have covered. This is very important. So what my what my approach is to clear the examination in one go, so that the time of the students should not waste. They should not waste the time, they should not waste their money. Many people, many, I mean almost all the classes are looting the people. They are looting, literally. Okay, they are charging 80,000 rupees, 70,000 rupees for navigation itself. Some of them charging 1 lakh rupees for navigation. I don't know why they are charging. When you go to their office or the classrooms, the offline classes, it's very luxurious. It's very luxurious. So I am just wanted to say that you are paying the fees of luxury, or you are paying the fees for the concepts and the knowledge you are getting from it. Ask yourself. If you want to feel the luxury, then of course it's your decision. You are good to go. No one will stop you. No one can. Okay. It's up to you that you want to get the knowledge from that luxurious class. You are getting of around 30 to 35,000 rupees per subject, and you are paying 1 lakh rupees for subject. So think about it. Okay, I don't say that join my class. Just take a demo, then decide that is my class is worthy or not. So this is just one feedback of a student which I have shared with you all. Okay, so he clearly told me, sir, I will join, but my only, I have to clear in one go because of my age restriction. Plus, I have already spent a lot of time in my flying. He got very much delayed. It was the target. So I have I focused on that student, and I focused on that particular batch because there were 2 students on that batch. I don't take more than 5. I completely focus on one student. Okay, I don't take 10 students, 15 students per batch, 20 students per batch. No, I still get queries. 8 to 7 students are already, they are telling me to please. I don't have time. I am also doing my CPL. So I just take 5 students so that I can focus on each student, and my goal is to produce results. That's it. That if my goal is to get the money, then I would also have charged 70,000, 80,000 rupees on navigation. But no, my charge is minimal. If you want to get more details, then you can contact me. The details are given in the description, and just try. I am not telling that take or classes. Just at least try our classes, so that it will be easy for you to decide that you want to get the knowledge out of it, what you are paying, or you want to just feel the luxury. It's up to you. If you want to feel, you can go to some 5-star hotel for one day and get the luxury. Why are you paying 1 lakh rupees? Anyways, up to you. So just before you enroll anywhere else, just take 2 demo classes from us, and then decide from where you should study. Okay, thank you guys. Bye, take care. All the best for your examinations, and be consistent, be disciplined. Thank you.